Let me ask you one simple question. Do you just want to build apps? Or do you want to build high-performance, real-world apps that companies actually trust and pay for? Apps that are fast, apps that are smooth, apps that don't crash when real users start using them. If you're aiming for that second version of yourself, then don't skip this video, because this might be the turning point of your mobile development journey. Here's the hard truth most people won't tell you. Today, most developers are learning React Native in broken pieces. One video from here, one playlist from there. Random tutorials, no structure, no clear roadmap. After months of effort, they still say, "I know the basics, but I'm not job ready. I can build small apps, but I can't build real production apps." And the worst part? They start doubting themselves, their talent, their future, their career. But the problem is not you. The problem is the lack of a proper system. And that's exactly why Mobile Code Lab exists. This is not just another random course. This is a complete transformation roadmap, from beginner to industry-ready mobile engineer. Over this journey, you won't just learn concepts. You will design real apps. You will write real production code. You will think like an engineer, not just a tutorial follower. Now let's talk about something very important. In React Native, there are two paths. One is the easy path: quick setup, fast demos, simple apps. And yes, that path is good for getting started. But then there is the real power path, where you get full access to native Android and iOS code, where you can build advanced features, where you stop being just a React Native dev and start becoming a true mobile engineer. That's the path of React Native CLI. Because when you control native code, you control performance, scalability, and real-world features. Let me simplify it for you. If the easy path is like driving a scooter, the powerful path is like riding a superbike. Both will move you forward, but only one will help you win real races. And Mobile Code Lab is built completely on that powerful path. Now here's the interesting part. You write JavaScript, but your phone doesn't understand JavaScript. There's an entire system working behind the scenes, bridges, engines, and native communication that decides how smooth or laggy your app will feel. Earlier, this communication used to be slow. Apps used to stutter. Performance used to suffer. But with modern engines like Hermes and new architecture, apps today can feel butter smooth if you know how to build them the right way. And inside this journey, you will not just use these systems. You will actually understand how they work. Step by step, you will move forward. You'll start by setting up your environment the right way. Then you'll master UI, layouts, and styling. Then you'll learn to handle real app state like a professional. Then you'll unlock real-world features like camera, maps, and notifications. And when your confidence is high, you'll build powerful, real-world projects that actually belong in a serious portfolio. At the end of this journey, you won't just have knowledge, you'll have proof of skill. And that's what companies pay for. Now imagine this. 6 months from today, you look at your old self and realize, I used to be confused. I used to follow random tutorials. I used to doubt myself. And now, you build apps with confidence. You understand what's happening under the hood. You apply for jobs with real projects, not just certificates. That feeling, that's the real reward. So if you're serious about your future in mobile development, like this video right now, and tell me in the comments that you're ready for this journey. Because in the very next video, we're starting with the most important foundation: setting up React Native CLI properly on both Mac and Windows. If you skip that, everything ahead becomes harder. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, remember this. Don't just learn to code, learn to build. Learn to think. Learn to become dangerous with your skills. Welcome to Mobile Code Lab. Your transformation starts now.